Welcome students. Now we are going to see what is food chain. All living things need energy to survive. Living things get their energy from different foods. Plants. They make their food by photosynthesis. They are known as producers. Animals, these are consumers. They get their nutrition by eating plants or another animal. Animal eat another animal is known as predator. Predator eat prey. Then food chain is begin with plant and end with large animals. Now producers, plants are producers. They create their own food by using sunlight, oxygen and water. These are the plants which are producer. Then primary consumer. Primary consumer eat plants. They are also known as herbivores. Then secondary consumer. Secondary consumer eat primary consumer. Then tertiary consumer. Tertiary consumer eat secondary consumer. Then decomposers. They eat dead organic matter. Decomposers are bacteria, fungi. These are decomposers. This is food chain. Now next is first example of food chain is producers, which are plants. Then primary consumer is rabbit, secondary consumer is fox and tertiary consumer is lion. Rabbit eat plant, then fox eat rabbit and lion eat fox. This is the food chain. This is first example of food chain. Now let us see a second example of food chain, which is aquatic food chain. That means water related food chain, in which aquatic animals and plants are present. Producer is algae. Then primary consumer is small fish, secondary consumer is big fish, then tertiary consumer is sea lion and quaternary consumer is sharks. This is example of another food chain. Thank you.